Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to link pages in Canva website. Okay, so as you can see right here, I already in my website. So what we are going to do here is to link the different pages. It is very important to name each page so that you'll know where to link them. So for example, this one we have the home page. Okay, so when you click on this one, we have here the notes option. So we are going to give this one a name. Okay, so we have to go here and then you just have to give this a name. Okay, and then after that, you can also add a new section. So for example, right here, we are going to put a link to this. We're going to put a link in this text. So you just have to click on it. That's right. And then you have this option right here. So simply click on this link and then you'd be able to see here the different pages. Okay, so we have the pages in this document. So for example, we have this one. So I'm just going to use this as an example. After that, you just have to click on done. Now you just have to do the same to the rest of the text where you want to link them. So here, as you can see, it has an underline, so we can remove that. After that, we can now preview this section. Okay, so when someone clicked on this one, they would be directed to that specific page that you have linked using your text. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.